Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But somewhere going high, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere going high, looking for a new start.
Here's an Instagrammer in action. We're at McCloud Waterfalls in Northern California. We're at the Middle Falls Overlook right now. We just walked up from the base of the Middle Falls. We're on the way to the Upper Falls. We made it to Klamath Falls, Oregon. Gonna stop for pizza and salad and then head over to Crater Lake and catch the sunset there. And we're staying at a little tiny motel near Crater Lake.
Pizza!
We made it to Crater Lake and there's snow up here in July. It's not even cold. We're at Crater Lake for sunset and we're not sure if this is the best spot. The sun's almost down and this should be it, I guess.
Concentration.
We're leaving the Budget Inn and heading to 3 waterfalls today again. This was the sketchiest of all hotels. And no AC, really bad Wi-Fi, really old and expensive, but we lived through it. Okay, we're at Tumalo Falls in Oregon. We're gonna go hike down and see if we get a better view. We made it to Shush Falls Trail after some wrong turns and a bunch of dirt roads. And Google Maps actually helped. Here's the second or the Middle Falls. We're continuing on past the Trail End sign, looking for, going over this branch, looking for the Upper Falls. Hopefully we're getting close. I'm sweating. All right, we're at Upper Shush Falls. About 2.5 miles uphill, pretty steep at the end, but we made it. There's the falls way in the back there. This is a pain in the ass to get to, but we did it. All right, we made it back to the car. About 5 miles. Very tired, my feet are sore. Oh, it says no drones. We're at the Proxy Falls Trailhead, trying to race the light. Looks like a pretty epic waterfall, according to the Instagram and Google images we saw. So this is our last stop for the night, and then off to Eugene.
You have to go over there. It's so awesome. Like, seriously.
Proxy Falls is done. We're heading back up. We're at Izakaya Oyazi in Eugene, Oregon. It's still happy hour.